watching my channel TECHY. So today's video we're gonna talk about 5 websites which can be used as a tool. So number 1 is Wayback Machine. So it's kind of a library in which you can store the website data, the past data. For example, you have a website from year 2010 till now, so you can check how it used to look like in 2011. So here for an example we are checking Yahoo for the year 2017. So you can see, you can check the whole web page, even the links are working here. So it's a good tool, Wayback Machine. So let's go to our next website, which is Whatsmydns.net. So guys, Whatsmydns is a domain name server. You can check for your domain. For example, you have a website, you want to check whether the website is working properly, the name servers are working properly. So you can check A records, you can check name server, you can check MX records, which are for mail. So here let's check for prostargamers.com. These are the different options that we get. NS stands for name servers. So domaincontrol.com has the name servers for ProStarGamers and it is working totally fine. These are 16 servers that are available worldwide, and also A records, which are responsible for the website to run. They are also propagating fine. Here we can see MX records, which are responsible for emails, are not working fine. So let's go to next website, which is Who.is. So in Who.is you can check your expiry date of your domain and quite other things as well. So we are gonna check for buyOneGift.com. We can see who has the domain, who has the name servers. So Big Rock has the domain here, we can see that, and you can also see the expiry date is 2020 and month 7. You can see the hosting is with freehosting.com, and you can see the other registrar details as well. And yeah, this is Who.is. It's also a very good tool. Let's go to our next website, which is Canva.com. So this website is a very beautiful tool you can use to create flyers, banners, and your website post. You can create posters and everything. It's an online tool. There are a lot of free features as well, but there are some paid features as well. So you can select the template, the layout, you can edit the fonts, you can add characters, pretty much everything you can do without a software, without a special software you need. You can just do it online with Canva.com, and you can download it with a very high quality picture, high quality poster style. You can see we have a lot of font options here. So I use this to create YouTube thumbnails as well. It works great. Also website, you can use it for your website banners and website like posters and other things. So this is Canva.com. So the next website is MX Toolbox. So as the name suggests, MX Toolbox is for mail exchange server. So it has a blacklist section where you can check whether your domain, your IP address is whitelisted or blacklisted. It can show you that. Also, if you receive spam emails from someone and you want to check whether those are legit and what's the source of that email, there is an option here in MX Toolbox. You can paste the header message and you can exactly check whether it's who's the source for that spam email. Generally people get a lot of spams these days, so it's a very good tool to check it online. You can click on raw message and you can copy the header file and you can paste it here in the analyze header section, and you can check that. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like if you like the channel. Suggest for next videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.